Hello, all. Welcome back. So today I will show you how to configure the uniFLOW printer. So in the uniFLOW we can print it like in the two methods. One is like cloud printing, just upload. But we also have an option like how to print it like a normal legacy printer, like how we do it in the home. So you can add it like a printer locally in your computer as well using the print driver. So today I will show how to do that. So first you have to go to your uniFLOW link which you own, and you can log in with your credentials for the uniFLOW cloud printing. So once you have logged in, you have an option here which says start printing. So you just click that, and here you can see this is a normal option. So here you simply have to browse your document and put it, but you can also have the drivers for your devices. So if you're using a MacBook, you can download the Mac driver. And if you're using a Windows, you can simply download the Windows driver for it. So once you download it, you can install the print driver. So once your print driver is successfully installed, then if you go to your document which you want to print, you simply have to go and just press the print, and here you will see a printer which is related to uniFLOW. So you just have to select this uniFLOW printer here. Just choose your printer as uniFLOW and just click print. And also if you want to do more settings on the printer, you can just simply go to more settings. Inside more settings, you will have an option to choose your what paper size what you want, what is your output size, and which one you want to choose. If you want to choose it automatically based on your document, or you can just simply want black and white, and you can choose the orientation, and you want a simplex or duplex. All options can be, additional options can be actually choose here. So also you can choose the compression quality here. So once you selected your default, just press OK and click print. So it will go and print your document in the printer, and you can access from your printer using your default print code which is provided by your enterprise. Thank you for your time. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more video like this. Thank you guys. Bye.